This is the massive Hongqiao high-speed railway station. Today I'm leaving Shanghai after 2 days in the city and I'm heading straight west. Quite convenient to squeeze through China on a high-speed train. I just arrived in Changxing and Victor should be waiting for me. 5 years ago, he was just a young guy getting into the tea business of the family, and by now he should actually be the owner of the company. Yes, we're doing a video here. We met 5 years ago last time.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, 2019.
2019, yeah, 5 years.
Hot dogs. Well, it looks pretty big here.
Yeah.
Didn't you say it was smaller?
That place is our company. Our company is smaller.
So it's this?
Yeah, the whole place just 4 companies. And
4 companies, okay.
Our company is a little smaller.
Okay. I recognize that voice. 佳木在这里。你好。
佳木，你好，好久没见了，哇塞！
你好吗？
你好，你好，你好，你好，你好。
So Victor, show us around.
Okay, just come here.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see it's our meeting room.
Meeting room and training
Yeah,
room.
also do some training room. Just some students come here to play the tea or just drink tea here.
Okay,
so
okay.
Also
Training to learn how to do tea.
Yes.
Oh wow, okay, it's
Yeah.
really serious.
Just last week, the Hong Kong students come here to do how to make the tea, the green tea, the black tea. Just
to practice the processing.
Yeah. We also have the training, training teapot, the pot.
The other way.
We can also see that.
Okay.
The pot and
Okay.
also do some the tea cake.
Now I see. This is for the tea cake.
Yeah.
And here, these are the tiny
Yeah.
tea cake
Yeah,
that you guys know.
Is
Chabing.
the traditional tea. They just
This
make
one
like
chabing.
Yeah.
And here they are drying.
Yeah, they are dry. We make them more dry.
And Victor, this is also for the chubbing, isn't it? You press the leaves?
Yes. You just boil the leaf and then put in there
And then you press it.
yes. This is the tea bar. So you can
The tea bar.
tea bar. Yeah, you just can drink.
Oh yes.
In the winter, so it's closed outside. So we just sit here to drink
Yes.
the tea.
Yeah. Sweet.
In summer it's too hot.
Oh yes, because of the
also
ceiling,
yeah.
Yeah, Victor already prepared for us the tea that we will taste later.
The green tea, black tea, or some white tea.
Nice. And inside here there is the processing room.
Yeah, he just picks the tea.
They just pick the tea?
Yeah.
Okay. And they're processing them inside here. It's also, as you can see, very clean. They all use covers for their heads and wear working clothes. It's not like that in every tea factory.
Yeah, there's a price.
We are back in the lecture room that you see here on my back, and here Lily, Victor's mom, is showing us some TEAWARE from the
Tang Dynasty.
Tang Dynasty style.
Yeah.
The kings
TEAWARE
eat and drink the tea.
Uh-huh.
And if we have some time, we can show how cook the tea.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
Like in the Tang.
唐代煎茶.
Wow! And this is like Song
This is
Dynasty,
Song
Dynasty,
Dynasty.
like for doing cooking like matcha.
next time I can show
Wow.
it for you. Okay.
Wow. And they have, of course, also classic tea taster mugs,
Yeah.
as well as modern. I don't know if you can see through the window. You check it. There are some shakers there.
Yeah.
Oh, now they are opening it.
This is I'm sure.
They do like, and here you can see some shakers. They do modern style
Yeah.
cold
We
brew,
also
要是你香到怎么说？
like in a tea bar.
yeah.
Really nice. Then of course Taiwan.
Rice 是吧？香
Oh, okay.
香香，
These are tools.
对。Oh, I can show it. Let me. 香道。
And here, you know, to ground, like much is done today, this is also like from the Song Dynasty. In China, no business start before lunch, right? So we first have lunch and then we have tea.
Yeah, yeah.
Although
Yeah.
we have also some tea here.
Yeah.
This is Jinzisun,
金子笋。
the golden
Yeah.
zisun. And, well, look at the table, how cute it is. We have a little soup with fish eggs.
Yeah.
Then we have normal eggs.
egg. Eggs.
And in the
Bamboo.
center,
Bamboo.
this is bamboo, and this bamboo
Yeah.
come from
From
that bamboo forest
Yeah.
that is just there. Isn't it great? You just pick it up there,
Yeah.
and then you cook, and here it is.
Yes, just fresh.
Very
another
fresh.
we have 20是 20 是吧
20.
20 kinds bamboos.
20 different kinds
Yeah.
of bamboos.
Yeah, and at next time I can show this
We do
for
it.
you.
We do a trip.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay. After a long lunch and a few hours in doing zisun chabing, but that's for another video, we are finally coming to the tasting. We have here quite a few teas that we are going to taste. And Victor, we are starting with bai cha, right? White tea. We have Victor is already waiting for different white tea that we see here. This one here is a wild peony, so a Huangye Mudan. Then next to it there is a Gaozi Mudan. And here we have a Huangxiang Mudan Wang, so that could translate like a floral fragrance. Mudan Wang is like king, superior. And then the last one is just simply a Huaxiang Bai Cha. So just a white tea with a floral fragrance. We're going to taste them all together and we compare them without knowing the price. That's a blind tasting. 3 grams, 5 minutes. Actually, the Huashan Bai Cha is pretty good. Like it is the less premium because it doesn't have a lot of buds,
Yeah.
but it really has this floral fragrance, right?
Yeah.
I like it. Yeah, you can really tell there is this floral fragrance. It's really good. With these teas, I actually have no doubts. The 3 Mudan are okay, but not mind-blowing, except maybe for the first one here. This is quite good, you know, it's light, it doesn't have a too strong hay taste, and it's light florality. But for me, really, the very first one here this one is the one that I like better, the best, and I think it will be also the cheapest because it is one with no buds, while all the other have also buds in it.
佳明，那叫I think smart is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Smell.
Smart.
For me, smell one.
啊
Yeah, it's very good. The smell.
太轻太轻。
他们可能喜欢
Very floral.
它是白茶需要 cocoa 的 smell。
Coconut.
Yeah。This
对，那个就是
好的白茶 good. If the white tea is very nice, it need have cocoa smell.
But this is 花香。
它是花香，但是它这个是那个，就是好的白茶，好的白茶是要有可可香。
the best white tea needs the cocoa.
Yeah.
Best means the year is very long. Yeah.
还有一个持久性。我们再看第二套，好吧？来，水好了吗？
好了。
第二套我们3分钟，好吧？
So now things are changing. We have been brewing all the teas again, the same leaves for additional 3 minutes. Now one thing that I want to show you is the difference of the color of the leaves. Look at this. All these are from Fujian, and this is Yunnan. And you see the difference in color. Also, if I take a bud, then it's even more clear. Look, I take a bud from Yunnan, and I take a bud from here. And I hope you can see that actually the bud from Yunnan is more golden and the bud from Fujian is more silver. The taste is also quite different. The Yunnan has just this typical Yunnan taste. Now, what is also interesting is that the 30, this one here, was actually not tasting good before because it was too strong, too much hay. And now, brewed lighter as a second brew, it is the one with the most clear floral aroma. While the Huashan Baicha, the fourth one here, this one, the one without the buds, that was very floral in the first brew, now has lost completely its own taste. So, to really be fair and compare them with each other, you should brew each in a different way. That's, I think, what we will have to do with the Gai one. All right, we have gone through the white teas, and now we have selected 5 different Lü Cha,
对
green tea. We start with the more affordable. These are 2 Tsai Cha.
菜茶，
Tsai
对
Cha.
菜茶，
And this one is
香茶，
Xiang Cha, Songyang,
松阳，
from the south of Zhejiang, Songyang, Zhejiang, Nan.
浙江，对，
And Xiang Cha means fragrant tea.
白宝石，
Bai Baoshi
这个是贵州的，
from Guizhou
贵
province.
州，对，
Guizhou.
对
And this
羌茶，
Chuan Cha
对
from Chuan, Sichuan.
四川阿坝，
Sichuan province, and the name of the place?
阿坝，对，阿坝汶川，阿
Okay,
坝州，
I'll search that and put it on the screen. Now let's start 3 grams for 130 milliliters
Yeah.
tea taster guy one.
4
And,
minutes.
4 minutes.
4 minutes。
And boiling water?
对，yes boiling water，
Boiling water.
boiling water。
Let's go. We did the first tasting. We have the 2 Tsai Cha. They are both quite good. We will see the price. I prefer the first one, a little bit more roasty, nutty, more fragrance. This is kind of okay, the Xiang Cha. This is really not good. It's very green. You can see in the color. Look, it's very yellow, while this is a little bit darker. And also the colors of the leaves, they are too green. Too green. It tastes bitter, even a little bit sour. And this one here is very nice leaves, actually. It is the one from Sichuan, and it has the most interesting taste profile of them all. But let's continue. This was just a very brief run through. Yeah, the smell was so 香好.
对，香
smell
好
is good,
这个
but
香
the
好，
taste,
这个汤好。
Yeah. This tastes good. This smells good.
对
Yeah.
对对。
So what do you guys want to do? Do you want to smell the tea or taste the tea?
对
Yes,
The leaves are also very small, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
It's really, the leaves are actually very beautiful.
very
Very
very small.
Let me show you.
Yeah.
So the leaves are really tiny. This is the February harvest in
Sichuan
Sichuan.
对，四川。
Shall we go for dinner?
Okay.
It's fun.
Yeah, okay.
什么？
We came back from dinner and now we do a last tasting before going to the hotel. We have here 2 black teas. Let me show them to you. Here is the first one, and the second one looks very similar. Lily, these are local black teas, right? From here.
Yeah.
This one Honcha,
紫
correct?
笋红茶。
How do they smell? Well, because they are very fragrant.
Flower smell and the nuts smell.
Smell. So it's a combination of nuts and flour. Some people maybe smell more the nuts, and other people more the flour.
The 2 kinds together, and you yeah,
Okay.
and every kind black tea you
Yeah.
can feel this.
You can feel both. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, the water is boiling. Let's find out.
Maybe you like this one, prefer this one too.
Let's see. Thick soup. Yeah. Both are pretty thick. I actually prefer this one, yeah.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
它应该还是会更
It's a little bit more aromatic and lasts longer in the mouth.
yeah。它的这个感觉能停留嘴边那个更久一点。
对，
这个
所以我们经常说是那个
The soup is thick and the fragrant soup is thin. Yeah.
发酵程度不能那么深。I
All
like
right. I think that for today it's enough.
啊，你叫他出价，猜猜看多少？
Okay.
这是今
You
年
can
挣的。
guess what kind of the price?
The price.
非常好
I
的。
say the floral one is more expensive and this one is cheaper.
他说这个更便宜，这个更贵。
是的
You are right. You are right.
，right.
But I prefer the cheaper.
Because
Very
now
good.
more people like this flower
The
ones,
flower.
Yeah.
but I like this.
You
Well,
prefer
maybe-
also the
I
cheaper.
I like this smell and
Okay.
but when I drink I will
You
choose
prefer
this.
that one. I see. All right. Let's call it a day.